Chef Buck here, and today we're going to cook up a crunchy slaw, a crunchy Asian style slaw. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to toast up our nuts, and we're going to use some sunflower seeds and some almond slivers. And you don't even have to use the almond slivers. You know, if you just want to use extra ramen noodles and extra sunflower seeds, go ahead. And that way you can be a cheapskate, but this is a great flavor. And now we're going to go ahead and toast up our ramen noodles. We want it to be a healthy slaw, but
not really.
First things first, break it up.
Just go.
We're going to reserve our flavor pack to use in our dressing. And if there are any super duper big chunks, you can go ahead and break them apart. Toast them up. Get a little bit of color on there. And just like your other things that you toasted, you know, you want to watch it like a hawk so you don't burn it. Alrighty. So there you have it. They're nice and toasty. While our toasted bits are cooling down, we're going to go ahead and throw our dressing together. Just a little bit of oil, a little bit of vinegar, and a little bit of sugar. Get that sugar nice and dissolved. We're going to go ahead and add a splash of sesame oil. Alrighty. Oh, son of a fuck. And one of the last ingredients that we're going to use is one of the flavor packs. We're just going to use one, and we're not even going to use all of that. Mix it up and give it a taste test. And put as much of the flavor pack in there as you like. That's all there is to our dressing. This is a crunchy slaw, so we're going to use some crunchy greens, a little Napa cabbage, and then a splash of this red cabbage, you know, just for a little color. I'm going to use half of it, and I'm going to cut it into some thin slivers. You know, make it as thick or as thin as you like. Altogether, you want to end up with about a pound of cabbage. But it's all subjective. You know, ultimately your cabbage to dressing to nut ratio is going to be to taste. I got about 4 or 5 green onions here. Add as much as you like. I got the bottoms chopped up a little bit finer than the tops. But a little bit of onion adds great flavor to this salad. You know, a super simple combo of ingredients. So now we're going to add our dressing in here. And if you went a little bit heavy on the sugar, you know, you can go ahead and put a little bit of water in here and thin it out. The dressing to cabbage ratio is entirely to taste, which is why we go a little bit hog wild on the toasted items, because we like a lot of that. But that's what makes it crunchy, and that's what makes it taste so great. Boom, boom, boom. And all of these ramen noodles. You want to give it a taste test, camera girl?
Oh, yeah.
Boom. Crunch cam. You just stand here and eat this whole damn bowl.
I was going to say, you better let me get a bowl of this, boy.
Super simple, super flavorful, crunchy Asian slaw. Go to myfoodchannel.com, print it out. Thanks for watching.